Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Design Day. Today we'll see the borders. We know that border is area surrounding a padding. Now let's see how we can apply border to our elements. We have three properties with border. We have border style, border width and border color. And now first see how we can apply border style. Border, the syntax is simple, colon, the value. We can apply solid or dotted, dashed, double, etc. We'll see it. Next we need to apply the border width, like right border dash width, and apply the amount of width that we want to have. Here I am applying 10 pixels, or let's apply 5 pixels. Then we need to apply the border color, and we can apply any color to it. See, here I have applied a border solid with having a style of solid, width 5 pixels and color BVCCDD. It is a hex code. Now let's change the width to 10 pixels. You can see that the width is being applied and it is 10 pixels. Now let's see what different variations we can have in style. We have seen solid. We can see dotted as well, dashed, or we can have double. We can have groove, we can have ridge, we can have inset, outset, or we can simply apply none if I don't want to have any border. Okay, now we'll have solid. We can apply any color to it. I can write simply red, and the property will be applied. So these are the main three properties with the border: the style, the width and the color. Now we can have different variations, like if I want to have only the bottom border style, I want to apply the style to only bottom. So you can see, if I'll write only bottom, then it will be applied to it. Simply, if I'll say border bottom width, then it will be applied to that. I can let's see how we can apply it individually. I have applied border bottom. Okay, now I am applying border bottom width 10 pixels, border bottom color, and you can see the following properties is applied to the bottom only, and we can simply change it to top to see the variations. Okay, so you can see, similarly you can write it for left as well as right. You need to only change the left instead of you need to change only the top, instead you need to write left or right. We have different shorthand notations for border, like if I want to have simply border colon, first is R, the width. I want to have a 10 pixel width. The second is the style. I want to have double, and I want to have the color. Okay, so you can see this is the shorthand notation for border. It is very simple. The first part is our width, the second part is our style, and the third part is our color. Okay, now if I want to have a variations in the shorthand notation, I can apply like this also. We have seen this in padding. I want to apply border dash width, and I will specify the two width 10 pixels and 20 pixels. So you know that this is for the top and bottom, and this for the left and right, and this way you can see it. If I will specify this way, you know that this is for the top, this is for the left and right, and this is for the bottom. And similarly for individual, I can apply like this: the top, the right, the bottom, and then left. Now we can have a very good property of border, the border radius. If I want to have rounded corners, then I can apply border radius, border dash radius, and you can apply any pixels. Like if I will apply 10 pixels, then border will be 10 pixels rounded. Okay, you can, if you want to make a rounded div, then you can apply 50% as well. It will make it, as it is spreaded out, it is not having a width and height equal, therefore it has become ellipse. But if you will have height 100 pixels and width have the same height and width, then you can see that a pure circle has been made. So this way you can make any shape of circle or ellipse using the border radius property. This was the different notations used, or you can say different properties with borders. We have seen the style, we have seen the width, and we have seen the color, and the different variations like border bottom color, bottom width, border bottom style. Different styles can be applied. Similarly, different amount of width can be applied, or different colors can be applied. As well, we have seen the border radius property, which helps in making rounded corners. So this was all about border, and we'll see more CSS in our next videos.